It is against the code to power ceiling fans from the fire alarm or smoke detector circuit. National Electrical Code Section 760.55 prohibits using smoke detector circuits for anything other than smoke detectors. National Electrical Code Section 725.2 states that fire alarm systems must be separate from other electrical systems. National Electrical Code Section 725.55 subsection A, subsection D, items 1 and 2 specify that fire alarm systems must use Class A or Class N circuits. The fire alarm and smoke detector circuit is a Class A circuit, which is typically reserved for critical safety equipment, such as fire alarms and emergency lighting. Ceiling fans, on the other hand, are classified as Class C circuits, which are used for general lighting and appliances. Class A circuits must remain operational in the event of a fire or other emergency to ensure the safety of occupants. Class C circuits are not required to maintain functionality during an emergency and can be disrupted or shut off for safety reasons. Using a Class A circuit to power a Class C device, such as a ceiling fan, violates the National Electrical Code and could compromise the safety of occupants in a fire or emergency. The fan could malfunction or interfere with the operation of the fire alarm system, putting occupants at risk. Therefore, it is illegal to power ceiling fans from the fire alarm and smoke detector circuit. The key differences between Class A and Class C circuits lie in their purpose and requirements. Class A circuits are designed for critical safety systems and must maintain functionality during emergencies. Class C circuits serve general lighting and appliance needs and do not have the same stringent requirements for uninterrupted operation. The National Electrical Code has specific requirements for fire alarm systems to ensure their reliability and effectiveness. Firstly, they must be independent of other electrical systems to prevent interference or compromise. Secondly, they must use Class A or Class N circuits, known for their superior reliability. Thirdly, they must be powered by a dedicated source that can provide backup power in case of a power outage. Fourthly, they must be regularly inspected and tested to ensure they are functioning properly. The reason for these regulations is that fire alarm systems are essential for the safety of building occupants, and any compromise to their operation could have serious consequences. If a fire alarm system is not properly installed or maintained, it may not detect a fire early enough, or it may not activate the alarms correctly, which could delay evacuation and increase the risk of injury or death. Additionally, interfering with the fire alarm system by connecting other devices to its circuit could overload the system or cause it to malfunction, rendering it useless in an emergency. The National Electrical Code is a comprehensive set of standards and guidelines for electrical installations in buildings, designed to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. It is developed and updated by the National Fire Protection Association, a non-profit organization that focuses on fire safety. The National Electrical Code covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It is adopted by many states and local jurisdictions in the United States and is used as a reference by electrical contractors, inspectors, and engineers. The purpose of the National Electrical Code is to provide a uniform set of rules and regulations for electrical work, reducing the risk of electrical fires, shocks, and other hazards. By following the National Electrical Code, electrical professionals can ensure that their work is safe and compliant with industry standards. Violations of the National Electrical Code can result in fines, penalties, and legal liability. In some cases, it can also lead to criminal charges if someone is injured or killed as a result of faulty electrical work. Therefore, it is essential for electrical professionals to stay up to date on the latest version of the National Electrical Code and to follow it carefully in all their work. In this specific scenario of connecting ceiling fans to a fire alarm circuit, the National Electrical Code prohibits this practice because it can compromise the integrity and reliability of the fire alarm system. The fire alarm system is designed to operate on a dedicated circuit that is not shared with any other devices. This ensures that the fire alarm system has enough power to function properly in an emergency. Connecting a ceiling fan to the same circuit as the fire alarm system can overload the circuit and cause it to malfunction. It can also interfere with the operation of the fire alarm system, preventing it from detecting a fire or activating the alarms correctly. In addition to violating the National Electrical Code, connecting ceiling fans to a fire alarm circuit can also create a safety hazard. If the ceiling fan malfunctions or shorts out, it can trip the circuit breaker and shut off power to the fire alarm system. This can leave building occupants unprotected in the event of a fire. For these reasons, it is essential to follow the National Electrical Code and to never connect ceiling fans or other devices to a fire alarm circuit. If you need to install a ceiling fan, you should run a separate circuit from the electrical panel to the location where the fan will be installed. This will ensure that the ceiling fan has its own dedicated power source and will not interfere with the operation of the fire alarm system. When working with electrical systems, it is always important to follow safety precautions to prevent injury or death. Firstly, always turn off the power to the circuit before working on it. Secondly, use insulated tools to avoid electric shock. Thirdly, wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from debris. Fourthly, never work on electrical systems when you are wet or standing in water. Fifthly, if you are not comfortable working on electrical systems, hire a qualified electrician to do the work for you. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and others. If you are unsure about any aspects of electrical work, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. They can provide you with guidance and advice on how to safely and correctly complete the work. The National Electrical Code is a complex and detailed document, and it can be difficult to understand all of its provisions. If you have any questions about the National Electrical Code, you should consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector. It can help you understand the code and ensure that your electrical work is compliant with all applicable regulations. It is important to remember that the National Electrical Code is not just a set of rules and regulations. It is a set of guidelines that are designed to protect people and property from electrical hazards. By following the National Electrical Code, you can help to create a safer environment for yourself and others. In addition to the specific code sections mentioned, there are other relevant sections of the National Electrical Code that may apply to the installation of ceiling fans and fire alarm systems. These sections include those related to wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It is important to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to ensure that all applicable code sections are followed. When installing ceiling fans, it is important to use the correct type of wiring and to properly support the fan to prevent it from falling. The fan should be installed on a junction box that is rated for the weight of the fan. The wiring should be sized appropriately for the load of the fan and should be protected by an overcurrent device, such as a circuit breaker or fuse. When installing fire alarm systems, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and to ensure that the system is properly tested and inspected. The system should be installed by a qualified electrician who is familiar with fire alarm system requirements. The system should be tested regularly to ensure that it is functioning properly. It is also important to maintain the fire alarm system by cleaning the smoke detectors and replacing batteries as needed. By following these guidelines, you can help to ensure that your ceiling fans and fire alarm systems are installed and maintained safely and correctly. This will help to protect people and property from electrical hazards and fire. The information provided is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector before performing any electrical work. They can provide you with specific guidance based on your local codes and regulations. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and others. Always turn off the power to the circuit before working on it. Use insulated tools to avoid electric shock. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from debris. Never work on electrical systems when you are wet or standing in water. If you are not comfortable working on electrical systems, hire a qualified electrician to do the work for you. By following these safety precautions, you can help to prevent injury or death. The National Electrical Code is constantly being updated to reflect changes in technology and to improve safety. It is important to stay up to date in the latest version of the National Electrical Code to ensure that your electrical work is compliant with all applicable regulations. You can find the latest version of the National Electrical Code on the National Fire Protection Association website. You can also attend training courses and seminars to learn about the latest changes to the code. By staying informed about the National Electrical Code, you can help to create a safer environment for yourself and others. In summary, it is illegal and unsafe to power ceiling fans from fire alarm circuits. Fire alarm systems require dedicated circuits for reliable operation during emergencies. Connecting other devices can compromise the system's functionality and violate the National Electrical Code. Always consult with a qualified electrician and adhere to the National Electrical Code for safe electrical installations.